All right, here we go. Okay, so this graph is exactly the same graph that I used with you in pre-calc. So what I want you to do is get these words in. These words are from the calc book. I don't like them as much as the words from the pre-calc book. And so get these down, and then I'll show you what was in the pre-calc book. Cindy, you've been awfully quiet these last few days. Are you okay? I'm getting worried about you.
Yes, I'm very sad.
You are sad?
Yes.
Are we having a one-on-one to figure out what the sadness is all about?
It's because my love for calculus is dying.
Oh, you just killed me!
No,
You just killed me!
I took an income relationship.
Uh,
All these English words are killing it.
It's like in the last period, someone says there are too many words up there on the slide. So I said, okay, so when you're reading the Iliad, are you going to tell your teacher there are too many words in the Iliad?
Fuck!
That's the Iliad? Is that the Iliad?
Yes!
It's not an easy read, man.
So
Not
the
an easy read.
book's fine to read. It's not that hard. It's annotated.
Why? I mean, annotating is just writing your opinion of what they're saying, right? Isn't that what annotation is?
It's so long and it's not fun.
Oh. Okay, did you guys get the graph down? Did everybody get the graph?
No, I'm not sure.
Karthik, you can't see the graph? You want to borrow my glasses? Yeah, senior citizens can do really well.
In the mail because they're like flying in from somewhere else.
Probably from India, you got them cheap.
I bought Ray-Ban, they're shipping them from Italy, and they got lost in the mail.
Ray-Ban from Italy, they're probably takeoffs or something.
That's where Ray-Bans are made, so...
So,
It's not me.
it may not be original. How do you know they're original?
Because if it costs a lot, it is.
No, because they get imported from Bangkok into Italy.
Bangkok.
Yeah, you go to Bangkok, you get all the fake stuff there. You guys know that, right?
Hong Kong too. Hong Kong got a big Armani watch.
Oh my God, I didn't even think of it, girls. You guys are... Oh, if I could blush, I'd be blushing. Yeah, if I could blush, I'd blush.
Is it not possible for infants to blush?
The lighter ones.
Yeah, seriously. Depends on how pale you are.
My skin tone or less than or equal to my skin tone? Yes.
Okay, so here are the words from pre-calc. Okay, get this down, and I prefer this. Okay, I prefer this. Okay, is everybody okay on this? Everybody get this down?
No freaking dollars.
No, that's easy, right?
Every day? Yeah, I pay $2 to play high school sport every day. It's terrible. Every day? Every day. Yeah, you can look fast. Like I'm gonna go and see her. Just a
Okay, has everybody got this down? Okay, so do you all agree that that's true? You guys all understand what FA means, right? The Y value at the point X equals A. Right? Does everybody agree that FA is negative? Yeah? Monica, you too? Okay. And do you agree that FB is positive? Then what this theorem is telling you is that between a negative number and a positive number, if the function is continuous, it shall go through a very important number in here. Indian. Oh, there was supposed to be an Indian answer. Right? Right from my t-shirt last week. Right?
Yeah.
Did I show you the t-shirt last week?
Zero?
Yeah, the zero t-shirt.
Zero?
Yeah, didn't I show that shirt to you last week? Yeah, I did. Okay, so this is what the shirt is, okay? It's got a big fat 0 in the front, and then at the top it writes India's contribution to the world of mathematics, and then in the very fine print at the bottom, it says, we always knew we were good for nothing. Get it? Get it? Guys. Okay, does everybody see that the function is going to go through a 0? Right? Which means that if you look at the graph here, it's going through the y value is equal to 0 here. This is what it means to say, find me the 0 of a function. Find me an x value that makes the function 0. So the IVT tells you that if fa is less than 0 or fb is greater than 0, or it could be switched, okay? It could be switched the other way around. Fa could be greater than 0, fb could be less than 0. So they have to be opposite signs. If that's the case, then the function will be equal to 0 at some value between a and b. Question?
How do we know that it has to be less than 0? Don't we just know that a is less than b? Like, how do we know?
No, from the graph you do. Okay, from the graph you do. But here, let's. We're going to do an example. I'll show you how you do that. Okay. Okay. I want you to go get your graphing calculator out and do this. Okay, on your graphing calculator, do that.
He's copying that line.
Monica, graphing calculator. Okay, so where are you going to go? Second calc, and then what?
0.
Okay, and then 0. And then what's the calculator asking you? Well, that is your A. That is your A. All right? You guys with me on that? And then what's it asking you next? Right boundary, which is your B. So what you're going to do is you're going to move your cursor to where the function of the y value is positive. Okay? So first it starts out with a negative y value, then you're going to move your cursor, make the y value positive, and you're going to enter. Okay? And then it asks you for an estimate. Okay, what's the guess on that? Well, I don't know what it is. Move on. In other words, what I'm trying to tell you is without the intermediate values here, the stuff that you're doing on your N box would not be possible. So, can you give a hand to the IVT? No, seriously. I mean, you guys are just sitting there like, feel this thing, man. Oh my God, is this sexy?